guys, I cut off the top part of the milk carton. I washed it, and now I'm going to cut the bottom part as well. Let's open the carton. Look, let's cut along this seam it has here. See? I'm going to mark here, on the side. And now we're going to mark here like this. See, every 5 centimeters, look. I'm going to mark here, see? 5 centimeters. 5 and 5, so everything will be just right when we go to draw the lines. Look. 5, 5, and 5. So here we find these 2 little lines. So when we draw here, it will come out straight. It won't be crooked, right? Look. I need these 3 parts of the box here. Look. So I'm going to cut here and here at once. I'm going to adjust this little basket to the right size now, okay? So I can mark the rest later. Look. Look, guys, it's going to look like this. Then, those marks we made here measuring 5 centimeters, I'm going to score it here with the scissors, see? I'm not going to use a pen. I'm going to score it here with the scissors, so it'll be easier to fold later. See? Make 1 little mark there and 1 little mark here, and everything lines up perfectly. And cut it with the scissors. I'm going to use some acetone here to remove these pen marks I made here. So it looks nice, right? I'm going to use regular glue, okay? Any white glue will work, all right? I'm going to use regular glue and apply the glue here on top of the milk carton. So we can stick this fabric here, okay? Spread the glue all over the box. Don't leave any spot without glue, okay? If you know any girl who needs to make a little money this Easter, send this video to her. It will help, okay? It's a way to make money while spending very little. Spending almost nothing, right, guys? You can even get some scraps and make this. Or for those who need to give little gifts at church, daycare, or school. Look. Here. Let's glue it onto the fabric here. Press it down like this, so it sticks really well, okay? Everything will be perfect here, guys. It's really secure. I'll mark it here, see? Like this. I'm going to mark it so I can cut it later, to leave a little extra here on the side, see? I'm marking this distance here from the numbers, see? That way it's easy to mark here, so I know the exact size. Hey, have you already subscribed to the channel? If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so you don't miss any videos. All right, now just cut here. Look, cut everything nice and neat. I cut it, see? Everything nice and neat. Now we're going to put some glue right here on the edge. Look, just go all the way around and let's glue it. See? Put some glue on one of these little edges here. Then let's go to the other side. Do the same thing. We're going to do this on all 4 sides. When you put the glue on, if it starts to fray like this, look. Then you come and cut a little bit here. Cut those loose threads, right? That way it'll look nicer, see? Everything is glued, see? Everything is neat. So, we didn't make those markings here, so now we're going to cut up to here, see? Up to that 5 centimeter mark. Look, it's marked here. I cut it. I cut up to here, then I come here again. See? On the other part, I come to this side, same thing. That's why I told you that when gluing the fabric, you had to glue everything properly, because now you can't let it come off, okay? You have to use plenty of glue so everything stays nice and neat. Look. It will look like this, see? And that's why we make these little folds now, see? When we use the scissors, right, then it's easy to make these little folds. See? And here it already has the box's little fold. It's going to look like this, see? To make the handle for our little Easter basket, I cut, look, from the milk carton, 2 centimeters by 20 centimeters. And I cut fabric here, 21 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters. And then we're going to cover this handle. Apply glue here. Look. You can put plenty of glue here. Right here. Wrap it. Come here to the other side and do the same thing. Really quick, really easy. Guys, there's no excuse not to make a bunch of Easter favors. See? It's really easy. Now look, right here on what's left. I cut it. Same thing here. The handle is ready. If you want, you can even add some decorations here, see? Now we look here like this, more or less the middle of the box, right? You can even make a little mark there if you want, so you don't make a mistake. And let's put the handle on this little basket here. See?
Oh.
Glue the handle here, come to this side, do the same thing. Wow, nice. Put a little bit of glue in the middle. And glue the handle. Look how nice it turned out, guys. And it was so quick. Now all you have to do is glue these 2 parts here like this. If you want a bigger basket, just glue it at the tip. Look. If you want a smaller and taller basket, just do it like this. Look. It depends on your preference. Whatever you think looks cuter, right?
Oh.
I'm going to put the glue here like this. It's easier, see? Put the glue here on the top part. Here, look. And fix these 2 parts. Look, it's easy and quick. A milk carton turns into an Easter basket, right? See? Now on the other side, do the same thing, see? Make it similar to the other side, right? Apply hot glue. See? Hot glue is really great too, right, guys? Look at this. You fix it, you glue it. This could have been even more centered here, see? When you go to glue this little handle, guys, make sure to measure it properly so it looks nicer, okay? Look how nice it turns out. Look. Cute from every angle. And you can fit a lot of treats in here, you know? I put some lollipops in here, see? You can put, look guys, you can put a little bunny in here and it'll look super cute. There's a tutorial on the channel. I'm putting this fabric bunny in here. Look how cute it turns out. Then put it in a plastic bag. Especially for those who are going to sell, guys, look, this really adds a lot of value. Look at the difference it makes. If you put it in a plastic bag, tie it up, look, with a little ribbon. See, this adds value to your craft. You can sell it for a good price when it has more value like this, see? More than just the little basket. Look here. Look how beautiful it is. Who wouldn't want to get this, guys? It's a little gift. It's a gesture of affection. If you liked this video, like and share it. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace. So,